Good morning, everybody. Let's get this bread. We got the stock market about to open. Things looking all right. We got the election tomorrow. Take this time. Go on and put how do you think the day is going to close? I say we are currently at 50% break even. The other 50, oh, we're like 50-50 red and green. And okay, now we're 40-20 red and green. 40% break even. I think I'm personally sitting on the fence of break even. Just want to give y'all a heads up. I'm kind of like slowing down my trades. That kind of $100 challenge time period is, I would say, over for me. So I'm going back to the way I would normally trade. So one thing I'm looking at, I have a entry on the 4-hour chart for PayPal. So now I'm going to personally, I'm probably going to use right now to take advantage of derive and optimize a contract for a swing. But real quick, before we get into that, good morning, Roy. Good morning, Alex. Good morning, Yoko. That's what I was going to suggest. We were taking on too many different trades, and it's good to just stick with 2 or 3 at the max. Hey, great minds think alike, Alex. No, yeah, I was last week. Hey, I was not. It was not it for me, trading wise. It was a good week, but yeah, not good for me. Mass 3DRC. Good morning. Slowing down the trade is also 100%, 100%. So my intention. Well, I was about to say my intention is not to take a trade today, but I'm probably about to take a trade. But it's not intended to be a day trade. I'm probably about to switch my account back to margin so I can take advantage of some other things. Sergeant Boss Hog, good morning, good morning. Yeah, so I'm about to get on here real quick, get on this optimizer. Morning first caller. A-Train nonstop first, good morning. I agree, slower trades a lot better. All right, so I'm gonna take a moment, run this optimization. Here, I'll kind of make it a little smaller. But yeah, I'm gonna run an optimization real quick over here. For PayPal, let's see. What is it? Go Derive AI. Hopefully we don't have too many people on the website right now. Where is it? There we go. Single. I'm still going to stick to that $100 area. Let's go high. Next. Let's go moderates. And I'm personally looking for a position trade. It'd be either swing or position, but I'm going to do position just because it might take longer than 3 days. So complete. Let's see what we got. How would you feel if you could no longer use, see, somewhat. All right, so getting back to it. Azure, good morning. Akeem, good morning. Mahishu, good morning. All right, let's see. Let it optimize the strategy. It looks like we're coming down into the morning. Oh, Tesla's down. Meta's down below support too. So it looks like we're selling off. It looks like we might get some opportunity today. Since we have, what is it? We're coming into the election tomorrow. So we can actually run through some things and talk about what my buy levels are. All right, hold on. Let's see if I can. 85. Let's look at this. $33, $85 call strike. What is this? I'm actually, wait, when's that expiration? What's that? November 15th? I'm cool with that. I think I'm going to grab that. So I'm going to grab this call on PayPal. Ooh, they sent me an email about the optimization too. So yeah, I can close this down. So real quick, yeah, let's see what it's going for. And let me just close that out. Yeah, PayPal already kind of popping a little bit. But yeah, we'll give it some time. Shoot for that. Oh, it's going for less than that right now. All right. So I'm zoomed out on the, yeah, I took my entry right here. We'll see how that one performs. Yeah. All right, now let's get in and let's look at some stuff. I'm gonna move down to a lower time frame. Oh, we're already on the lower time frame on the SPY. Angie B, good morning, good morning. Hey, happy to have you on the stream this morning. All right, so let's see. Apple is testing here. Let's go to a lower time frame. So we got Apple testing support over here. I want to see what would be the next level beyond this, because it's looking like we could test some things. We got SPY breaking kind of support right now. The next level I would kind of watch for on the SPY would be maybe this 569 level, and then below that maybe 568.50. Looks like we're probably coming for that. Apple looks like the next level I see around Apple is either like maybe like 218.50 or 216. Swift 22nd. Good morning. Good morning. Hope everyone had a good weekend. All right, so Apple, I would say my next buy level on Apple, just kind of looking at the 4 hour. Let's zoom out a little bit. Yeah, I like this 217 area for Apple. That's my next 217 down to, I guess we could say down to like 213. That's my buy range if we lose this level. All right, let's see what Amazon. I got a big buy alert set for this 186 level. If they want to bring it back, I'm not mad. Looking red so far today. I am 100% cool with that. It's like, let the market reset, let it pull on back, and I'm 100% cool with it. It's like the redder we go, the better the buying opportunity. And you know, November and then election years are usually pretty green months, so you know, I'm cool with us taking a little reset and kind of loading up for a bigger move up. I'm 100% cool with that. And then all these crypto plays over here, you got your CleanSpark, Coinbase, especially Coinbase. I love to see these pulled back. I already said it once. Let me see. I really like the idea of Bitcoin once again coming back to either test this trend line or this trend line. So coming down to either 64K or I guess 65. That's a good load up level to me. All right, PayPal is still doing all right. AMD, we got a little pullback. Close that out. How's everyone doing this morning? Anybody looking forward to? It's crazy. The election's tomorrow, and then we should get what is it? A rate cut this week, so lowered borrowing rates. That's interesting. News-wise, we don't have too much occurring today. You know, Bank of America kind of did something for their earnings, and then they just kind of chilled out. They're consolidating this little range right here. Let me delete that trend line. See Bitcoin. And CleanSpark's completing like a double top right now. So either this 960 level, do I have an alert here? I'm gonna add an alert. Or if we see it back at this 887 level, especially this 887 level, that's money right there. It's like up here, I'll leave it alone, possibly. But down here for sure, hey, I'm in on that. All right, let's see what else we got. Coinbase, kind of a similar story. So I'm gonna set, this 165 level. If I catch Coinbase there, you know what it is. I'm pulling out Derive, and we're gonna see what's up with that. CrowdStrike. Oh, CrowdStrike. They look like they got a got a good setup. All right, so right here, they kind of had that dip, and then they recovered. Right now, looking at CrowdStrike on a 4-hour, that might be too steep. Let me try to see. Nah, I guess they're trending down. Leave it alone for now. And then Donald Trump's stock, it's kind of at a level. So on the 4-hour, it's at the 200 EMA. So anyone, I know I get a lot of questions about this. Anyone kind of watching that? That one looks interesting right there. Okay, let's see. Fubo. This one hurts my heart, but I will say if Trump wins, hey, we'll see a good run on this one. But we'll kind of have to see about that one. Hakeem, good morning. Good morning. How you been? Hakeem? Okay, so Hut's chart looks a little bit different from the other cryptos that not cryptos, the other miners that we were looking at. Let's see. So, let's see. Yeah, so they're kind of already at support. I'd still like to see them pull back more though. Intel. So they had their earnings. What was it? It was on Thursday. but they're still, oh, hold up, let's zoom out on Intel. All right, so they kind of have this flag going right here. Am I on a weekly chart? Yeah, they got a flag, so you would like expect some kind of rip. See, I'm on the, maybe let's try to do something a little more like that. Yeah, Intel looks interesting. They could experience a pop. Maybe I don't know if Intel would benefit more from Trump or Kamala winning, but all right, Hakeem, I'm good. Can't complain. I'm off today trying to find a trade or two. All right, so Hakeem, I guess you weren't, I'm not sure if you were on when I said it, but just a heads up, I'm slowing my trades to trade the way that I traditionally trade. It's like I was trying to do a challenge. It wasn't going well. Like this past week was not a good week trading wise for me. So yeah, I've kind of slowed my trades back to my like 4-hour moves. And hold on, let's see. I'm looking at something on Palantir or PayPal, but I grabbed a November 15th, $85 call on PayPal, and the move would be for something like this. But good thing is we have time on it. I used Derive to optimize it. I really liked the contract that it chose, so I kind of went with it. I paid $28 for it, and I feel good about it. All right, Chase. Good morning, bro-yo. Bro-yo, okay. Good morning, Chase. Good morning. Master ERC, I heard that Intel was kicked up. Yes, they were. Yes, they were. That is, yeah, NVIDIA took their spot. So, yeah, that's interesting. Akeem, you think AVDA will run up today? Let's take a look at them. I got like nothing but time now. It's like I'm not stressing any trades. It feels kind of, oh, hold on, I typed that in wrong. AVDA. Wait. Akeem, am I missing something? Cause oh wait, hold up. Yeah, Akeem, are we? Am I looking at the right thing? I don't know what this is. All right, Microsoft puts in the morning would have printed for the honestly puts on a lot of things. Let's see how Microsoft's doing. Where they at? I mean, yeah, if you swung puts, that would have been money because it looks like it opened up here. Let's drop back down to the. Oh yeah, they did dip down to 405. Where'd they close at last week? Let's go to the 4. Oh no, yeah, they would have paid. Yeah, I was looking at the daily chart, so I wasn't seeing it. But hey, brother B, Brian, what's up? Why is QQQ going up when it looks like? Oh yeah, that's a good thing to look at. So one thing, look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA is going to be the majority of the Qs. So here, let's drop down to a 15-minute chart. So this is the chart for NVIDIA. Here, let me, I can probably clear this out. No, we'll leave those there. But yeah, this is the chart for NVIDIA. And then if we pull up the Qs, this is the chart for the Qs. So I would say they mirror each other pretty decent, especially if you zoom in, look at more of this last part over here. Like this may kind of run more, but yeah, I would say NVIDIA is probably the reason that it's moving up. Okay, so that's what you meant. All right, NVIDIA. So it has reason here. Let's check out the volume. So the first 15 minutes, definitely beating last Friday's volume. Let's see. Didn't quite beat its selling pressure from last week, but NVIDIA has established an uptrend. We'll really just have to see if the volume kind of continues. The volume is tapering off like it normally would in the morning, so it might. My take on this is it might take off during the week, but it might not be today that it really does its thing, or maybe after we get off the stream. You know how the stream like to move things after we say goodbye, so we'll kind of just have to see. All right, so I'm gonna pull SPY back up over here. As of right now, the SPY is kind of like hugging this range today, hugging this 151 to like 170 range. It did come down here and touch this area I call this support on a watch list this morning, but it's kind of on the downtrend. Leanne, good morning. Good morning. Welcome back. All right, so here, Apple, it looked like once again they're trading in that range. So I have resistance up at 223 on Apple. They came down, kind of wick support. Now they're buying back up. So my take on the day is, what was I gonna say? My take on the day is we'll likely kind of be range bound on most things. And I think we might even be that way coming into tomorrow as well, or like coming out of tomorrow as well. Let's see. Hold up. All right, Mahishu, what is your best time frame for entries on a play? So when it comes to what the best time frame for entries on the play, I think it's going to depend on what like how long you're intending to be on the play or in the play. But I would say typically like the best all around that I would say probably going to be the 5 minute. But on the if it's a day trade, I would go 2 or 5. If it's a swing trade, I'd say probably like a 5 or a 15. But sometimes I'll like wait for certain, like I will wait for certain 4-hour candles to close if it's swing trading. And then I'll try to like look and see. But if it's a swing trade, sometimes I'll just get in on the 4-hour. It's not like as big a deal. But like there's sometimes like it's like since 4 hours is so big, sometimes I'll still try to like find the best entry in that 4-hour as well. Hey, no problem with issue. Yo, I had I'm not going to say it was the best idea, but I feel like yesterday I felt like I was so ready to like just get a video up on like market structure, make it nice and easy to understand and Oh, I just felt like I had it like ready to explain in the easiest of ways, but I feel like I'm always so busy on the weekends. It's so hard to like actually get stuff up. But I feel like whatever way I had in my mind that I was going to explain it, it kind of just it completely slipped my mind. But that's something that I was intending on making. But and I was probably going to do it after this live stream, but it might take a little bit more thought than it would have if I took some time on the weekend. Here, let's look at Tesla. Looks like they found a little something down there. Zoom back out to the 4. All right, so we still got Tesla riding this trend line. So Tesla giving us another little pullback here. Almost like a little triple top, almost. Do a quick little check-in, see what's going on. My 11:15 AMD call is giving me a heart attack. Let's take a look at AMD. Yeah, I think it comes down to when you get in, because that other put I grabbed on AMD was would be doing well. Well, it would have been doing well, but it expired. All right, so AMD, let's see what I see. All right, so my next kind of buy level on AMD could start right here at kind of this 140 level. Then, yeah, kind of below that. I think it kind of might take until we get some. It might take until we get some. We might need the election before we change it, because they got a strong. Actually, I don't even know. The downtrend is like kind of just continuing on. You can. Like, it's continuing on, and it's like I can't even necessarily draw where it's over yet. So here, let's look at it like this. Let's turn on the RSI. So the RSI on it is oversold. It's not like overly oversold, but it's oversold on the RSI. Let's check the volume on the lower time frame. Oh no, it's kind of consolidating. All right, so you said it's still got 2 weeks. What's the strike you got? And then, Brother B, anyone hear any news on SMCI? Let's see what SMCI is doing. Nah, it looks like they were just oversold. Like, they were really oversold looking at the RSI. So this is probably like oh here, that was on the 15-minute. They were super oversold on the RSI, typically like below 20. That's like pickup range. So they might buy up a little bit, or maybe they'll trade sideways. It just looks like a kind of a relief rally. But as of right now, I wouldn't expect this downside to be over yet, personally. But yeah, that's the only thing I would have to say about SMCI right now. They still need to. They have some trust that seriously needs to be regained. Let's see if we can maybe let's try to move that up a little bit. See if that, yeah, we'll leave that there, see if anything comes from that. Okay, let's see. All right, so moving away, going back to like Tesla or something. I'm curious what's going on with Netflix. Netflix is waiting on something too. I almost feel like they need to like pull back before they continue to the upside though. Let me collapse that. PayPal looks like they're making some all right movement. So video looks like it's let's go back down to a 15. Yeah, we're kind of just chilling here. All right, DJT below $30. need to set a timer real quick. Anybody swinging anything right here? We got a little pullback on Reddit, Riot. SoFi is trying to give us a good little chance for some buying opportunity. Can you check Hood? Do you think this? Yeah, let's check out Hood. So I do see a trend. Let's see. Might try the daily first. That would be, let's go on the 4 hour. I would say that holds. So they broke the trend. So 22 is looking like the current level of support. And then below that, next area looks like it's going to be about 20 to like 1884. Right now on the 4 hour, we'll want to see how it does with this 200 EMA. But yeah, right now we're kind of, I guess, trending down. So you could probably draw something like this. Maybe we come back up, but right now we're kind of just in between, consolidating right here at the support level. No, but Robinhood, I actually keep forgetting about Robinhood when it comes to Robinhood. Part of this move is probably due to Bitcoin. Here, let's actually try to compare the chart real quick. Or actually, let's pull up the correlation coefficient. Sometimes it correlates pretty high, but Robinhood's one that moves with Bitcoin. So it'll probably see a resurgence. But yeah, it wouldn't surprise me if it keeps kind of pulling back a little bit. Got the VIX up today too. DJT selling off some more. It's currently testing the 4 hour support. That's kind of interesting. All right, so can you chart Kava? Yeah, let's check out Kava. Definitely looking okay. Seeing the downtrend on them too. Let's see. So probably looking at something like that. Maybe. Nah. Yeah. Say something like that. Zoom out, see what we. Does not look as good on the daily, on the weekly. So, wait, what was I gonna say? So on the weekly, looking at Kava, still trending up on the weekly, but right now looks like we found some resistance up at this 141 level. On the 4 hour, we're kind of trending down. 1 hour, we're currently below the 200. So yeah, we're kind of just trending down right now. And then support's right here at like 130. So looking at the continuation, we kind of had our pop here. Oh, that's what I was going to talk about. So yeah, if you just trade the market structure, supply zone here, or supply zone there. What did I just do? Oh, there we go. And what's going? Yeah, it's probably heading to take out this low, this 129.61, if I had to make an assumption. If not, this one over here at 128.36. All right, looking for a scalp here on the 15. IWM looked like it's on its way up. And let's take a look at IWM. You ducked out at 219.89. Could have got more. Oh yeah, I definitely don't blame you for that. Where is this at? Yeah, it just looks like we're just trading in a range today. So yeah, it wouldn't surprise me if we come, I don't know, take out 221 on that WM. What's PayPal doing? Well, let's take a look at Palantir. Palantir has its earnings today after hours. Those IWM candles look extra strong. One day I'll have the courage to go all the way, but till then, oh yeah, I don't blame you. Hit your IWM target. Let's see. Yeah, just barely hit it. Yeah, let's see if we get that 220.96, 220.97. Bitcoin pulling back. Apple's actually doing all right today from his little dip. Looks like it opened at 221. Tested support. Still like a little here. Let's go to a 1 hour. Yeah, there's still like a gap to this. Oh, maybe it just filled it in. Yeah, it filled it in. So coming back, I'm looking for something nice. I'm about to just go through and chart everything. Well, I'm gonna look at Apple on the monthly. What is all this? I think I was like teaching somebody something here. So I would like to see a retest of Apple below like 200. I think it's doable. Yeah, I'm just checking the monthlies right now because we can do that right now. Let's see what I was looking at on this lower time frame. I'll clear that out for now. Oh shoot, someone's going crazy with the they're sending a lot of love with the little thing down there. Somebody going crazy. My target with IWM is 222. Getting there would be insane. Let's see. All right, IWM. Yeah, so IWM here. Let's zoom out. Or not zoom out, but let's clear this out a little bit. Looks like we kind of have when we look at it. Oh dang, y'all are going crazy with the. I don't even know what to call those. The reactions. Y'all going crazy with those. Hey, shout out to the family. Here, let's see. But yeah, IWM on the monthly consolidated a bunch over here. This might be a double bottom. Could be a double top that we're forming. I don't know. We'll kind of have to see. There's a lot of resistance kind of in this area, but here, let's go back to Yeah, if we can get IWM to break above that 222, that'd be wild. Dang, we're still spamming the reactions. I see everybody's going crazy. Yeah, IWM moving up. All right, so hey, IWM is pushing on the day. It's coming for that 220.90. Then if it, yeah, it could come for that 22 if it's just playing support and resistance. Oh yeah, the reactions, y'all still going crazy in the reactions. Yeah, we're kind of live right now. Actually, we are literally live right now. When I was in high school, whenever something was cool, we used to be like, "Oh, that's live." Or, "Oh my gosh, that's live." I think I think they kind of swapped the word out with like lit or cool or legit or something these days. But yeah, we used to be like, "Oh, that's live." Oh, really? You did that? That's live. I think this PayPal trade is going to turn out to be live. We'll give it about a week or so. So we're still at 48% red, 38% green. Looking at us on the day. Ooh, the SPY is pumping now. What's going on here? Hold on, it is 9:24. Yeah, IWM is on the run here. What just happened right there? Nvidia is up. Oh, hold up, y'all. So I gotta step away for a couple minutes. I will be right back. But I'm stepping away for a couple minutes. But I'm still on stream. So I don't know, maybe now's a good time for a bathroom break. Do what you gotta do. But I gotta run downstairs for something. right, I'm back. Okay, let's see. 6-0 for the morning. Practicing self-discipline. That IWM 28% could have been 500. But holding out for whales is why I'm not where I want to be. Y'all, I'm breathing kind of hard right now. Okay, IWM. Oh, look at it. Making the moves. Yeah. This 222 area might be a potential good reversal area. Oh, didn't we get like some kind of pop on the SPY before I left? Yeah, they like popped up to like 572.50. Yo, I'm like so winded right now. I like trying to run back up the stairs. I'm on the top floor. It's a lot of stairs. Yo, I gotta turn the fan on right now, actually. Sticking to my original plan is my 7-0. There, you got a real good head on your shoulder, man. Tesla's kind of recovering. Oh, let's see. So yeah, IWM is pumping. Like, hold on, let me see if I see a nice setup. Okay, so downtrend. Okay, we made a higher high, a higher low. Okay, hold up. This is madness. 700%. I'm watching these off. Dang. Okay. Yeah, it's like, oh, it's just like the market changes all the time, and you have to know what's valid at the moment. So let's see. I'm trying to remember like my strategy, like my day trade strategy. Like there used to be like a setup. So we had a downtrend. We were making lower lows and lower highs. We got our change of character. No, so I wouldn't have necessarily tried to get this though. Hold up. This was the close. Okay, so actually I would have looked from over here. So over here, we're making a downtrend. All right, so actually, yeah, this would have actually been something that I considered playing. So we had our downtrend. Then we kind of broke that over here. Okay. So yeah, that would have... I gotta kind of get back to my old way of trading so I can see stuff like that, but this would have been money had I looked for it. Let me look at Tesla real quick. See if there's anything. Oh, that's Meta. Nah, I don't see. Oh, wait. Hold up. So we're over here with Tesla. That's a 15-minute. Nah. All right, SPPL up 100%, but if you can scalp, that thing is popping. Let's see. You're speaking my language right now, Brian. That thing is popping. Let's see. SPPL. Oh, okay. Yes, it is. The volume is pretty consistent too on the 15. So here, let's see if we can find the next levels for it to run. All right, so next level resistance is going to be kind of at 87. All right, so we'll kind of just watch the ladder for this today. Then I would say after that, let's look at like the dollar area. Then we'll come for this 114. And like maybe 140. All right, so let's go back to a 5. Yeah, so if this alert goes off that it pulls back to 40, y'all give me some shares and play with this today. Russell 2000, nice run up. Yeah, it's really the IWM has gone kind of, yeah, nice run today on that. No options, you don't need options on it. Honestly, yeah. I'm going to put in like I'll play with a little bit just for fun. Let's see. I'll put in here. Let's see. SPPL. I'm gonna put a limit order in, and I'll put my limit order in for. I'm gonna put it for 0.4008. Let's see if that. Okay, market hours. And it's good, just good for today. I'll go for 20 shares. So yeah, if I get filled, I get filled, but that's like that's a $8.16 play for me if it gets filled. And then if it gets filled, hopefully it'll come up here, retest this level. If it comes up here, retest that level, I will sell out at half of it. So we'll see. You said if it pulls back to 40, the play is dead. You don't recommend it? Well, dang. Okay, hold up. Let's move it up. So here. All right, let me change my ass. You said not financial advice. Oh yeah, nothing with penny stocks should be considered financial advice. Let's see. Let me edit my order though. Yeah, I do see a trend on it. Hold up. Let's try to. Okay, so here. So best case scenario for this trend would be honestly. Okay, so let's look for like a 65 entry. Hey, how Nvidia. That is how the market likes to move. unfortunately. Here, let me re-put in this order. I'll go for 15 shares, and it's kind of in my. All right, so gotta pull back. So I'm gonna just get in with the limit order. I bought 15 shares at 9.56. And let's see. Hold on, so. All right, so I'm in that trade. I'll probably give it a bit before I set my stop loss. I'll set my alert on this trend line. These are day runners. The pop on you. Wait. These are day runners to pop on you, then drop it like it's hot. Oh yeah, let's see. Hopefully it runs for. Throw my alert up there. One second. Oh, I think I have too many alerts set. All right, so once again, I have to step away real quick. This one should be a little bit faster. I will be back. actually haven't gone anywhere yet. I'm still here. All right, so it's currently testing this trend line. Let's see how this ends up going. I'm down 2% on the trade. You said grabbed 100 shares, 62.11 average. My average is 63.73. I know you're up on your shares. I'm down. Oh, maybe never mind. No, you're not. All right, so it looks like we are. Let's see. Trying to hold up. So if Tesla might come fill in this gap, but if Tesla's going to continue this trend, this 450 area is going to be a wall. So be on the lookout for that. Or this 249 area would be a wall. All right, so it's currently okay. It's testing this trend line. Here, let me move to this point right here, the most extreme one. We'll see how that holds up. Then below that, I guess we're cutting out. Okay, risk at here. Let's see. What's that level? What are you targeting? So yours is here. Let's see it on a 2-minute. It's a decent stop loss. All right, let's see. How we look on the 2. See if we can get some volume here. Yeah, we're just moving around for overall on most things today for a whole lot of nothing. Neo has had a good day. Oxy's up a little bit. PCE's coming down. Like every regular stock is pretty regular today. SMCI's up 4 point. Okay. All right, so it looks like maybe cutting out for a loss here pretty soon. If we don't catch any buying pressure on this candle. Yeah, we close out this candle on the 15 and like 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So we'll see how it closes out. Average volume for SPPL is 183,000 today. It's at, yeah, we got some good volume. Definitely some good volume. Chewy must have had earnings or something. They're doing all right. Let's check out Chewy. Let's see. I don't see any earnings on Chewy. Wait, that's the 1 hour. Yeah, they had earnings. Their last earnings was August 24th, and their next earnings is December 5th. So, yeah, I don't know what's up with Chewy. Let's kind of check the Roaring Kitty stock. Chewy set to join S&P 500 mid-cap index. Okay, so that might be part of it. It's supposed to join the S&P 500 mid-cap index, or S&P, what is it, 400? Yeah, S&P mid-cap 400 index. So that could just be institutions buying. Here, let's see. Yeah, I think this is going to be what we do for the day. It's not like too much going on today. All right, so we got this candle right here. Let's see how we close. I'm down 89, 92, 93, 91 cents overall on this trade. These penny stock plays hit different, man. Yeah, we're quickly approaching your stop. We got 1 minute left on this candle. Very boring day in the markets. Probably kick me and bounce, so we'll see. All right, so we're about to close this candle. Let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1. All right, seeing a little blue. A little blue. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set a stop loss too, real quick. Set a limit. All right, so I'm gonna hit trade, sell. What, I have 15 shares. Just do a stop. Set mine at 55. Gonna be it's a good thing I played SMCI call. Let's see. Yeah, they're getting that little relief rally. They haven't moved like too much from when you called the call, right? Yeah, because the market opens. They open like right at 26. So a lot of consolidation. So this consolidation is actually like, I mean, this could be them finding support for now because they're above the 200 on the 5 minute. But this could be a sign of a reversal. You said up 9%. Oh, are you talking about the SMCI call? I'm still in this SPPL trade. Hasn't quite pulled back to my stop yet. If I can get 10%, I'll move the stop loss. Do you ever do features in Coinbase? Oh no, or trade on Webull. So I think the answer to both of those is actually going to be no. So I don't trade on Webull anymore. They randomly started trying to charge me for live options quotes. So I don't use them anymore because like everywhere else has them free. And no, I don't trade on Coinbase. I have Coinbase, but I don't trade on Coinbase. I kind of just I'm very, very passive with Coinbase. Let's see. All right, so SPPL is up. Let's see, SMCI. Okay, so you got your 10%. So that stop loss is coming up. Love to hear it. Today is probably going to be a shorter stream just because we're not getting anything. Thank you for being kind. I have a few stocks on there, but definitely into Robinhood lately. Hey, no problem. It's like I feel like being kind is like the least anyone can do. Honestly, it takes nothing to be a kind person, but I digress. Okay, I see we're starting to move a little bit on what was it, AMD? But AB, if there is anything that any charts you want to look at, any like opinions on anything, it's like we can definitely take a look at it, especially while it's slow. So I remember somebody asking about AMD earlier, saying they had a call for 2 weeks worth of time. Potentially, hold on, where is this trend line from? I'm not even sure that's a valid trend line, honestly. But AMD is trying to pop. First level will kind of like look for resistance beyond this 143 level if it makes it past. Oh, review for success. Yes. Yes, it was you. So yeah, if we can get above 143, it looks like next level is like 145. So and once again, it's like it was oversold on the RSI. Could make another move to the upside. It's like their earnings were good. I honestly feel like it's the election, like just the uncertainty that's holding them down. You said grab puts on root. How is root doing? Oh dang, they've come down a lot. We can chart it. Has to be real short term for me. No, I don't. IWM back on the move. Let's see. I don't really like Root's chart. It's IWM. Yeah, once that 222. Let's see it. Let's see it. DJT is back in the green as well. Nvidia's up. Wait, who was the one that said something about Nvidia opening up green or starting green and then selling off? Oh, review for success or success. Okay, so was it they fell in the after hours? They went up in the after hours and fell at open today. Okay. So yeah. Yeah, so they ran up to like one. So if anything, that's kind of like them laying a footprint. So we're probably gonna. It would be no surprise. There's a good chance we come back up to that 140 level. Are you participating in that Robinhood election day trading thing? So no, I'm not going to trade that. I was just explaining what that is. I'm not going to do anything with that, but I can definitely explain it. So here, let me look at it so I can talk over it. So the way this kind of works, it's I don't know. So this is it's kind of like a bet. I kind of say it's like similar to like sports betting in my opinion. Like it's like you have odds, and the lower the odds, the higher potential profits. If the lower odds wins, you win more money. But it's like there is Kamala and there's Trump, and pretty much right now it's 45 cents or $45 for the whole contract to buy Kamala. Say you buy one of those contracts, you pay 45. If Kamala wins, you get $1. So pretty much you can profit $55 or 55 cents on the contract, or 55 cents per, I don't know. I guess you would call it share. I don't know. But you can profit up to 55 if you purchase right now on Kamala. And if you bought for Donald Trump and he wins, right now he's at 57. So you can profit up to 43 on that. But that's assuming you hold it to the end. Like if I look at it, it says the elections in one day. The contract ends January 7th and the payout is January 8th. So Honestly, it doesn't really seem that good to me. Yeah, Robinhood is not getting my money for it either. For me personally, I don't like it. It's like honestly, you might be better off like selling credit spreads or something. You can probably sell multiple credit spreads and get that profit as opposed to waiting till January 8th to make profit from this trade. I think I personally think this is it's interesting. Like it's definitely interesting. It's cool to see, but oh, it's like having that money on hold. I feel like you can put it to work elsewhere for better ways. And there might be say you feel so strongly about a candidate, but you say you know who is more likely to win, but you feel so strongly about a candidate that you're just gonna like buy the vote on other ones. Just know this isn't gonna like change the actual outcome of the election. Moving up for those that are interested. Let's see. So yeah, the Qs is moving up, and that's all thanks to NVIDIA. Once again, NVIDIA is likely heading for that 140. Yeah, it's not one I'm trading today, but yeah, it's likely heading for that 140. Turn off some of these EMAs. Turn off the... I think it's interesting though that I'm looking at these Robinhood contracts for the presidential election. Kamala Harris has 92,566,068, and Trump has 84 million, almost 85 million. But so Kamala has more, but it's like the odds for Trump is higher. So it's like I don't know, it's like in my opinion, I feel like I was like I don't feel like I know Robinhood is getting paid off this. Can we please say her name? Can you type in the phonetics for me? Is it I've been saying Kamala, is it Kamala? Hold on one second. But I'll say her name correctly if you Kama. Hold up. Okay, I'll be there in a second. All right. All right, stream. So I thought that's how I was saying it. Kamala. How was I saying it? Kamala? Oh, I was saying Kamala. Kamala. Okay. Okay, gotta go one more time real quick. I'll probably be like 2 or 3 minutes. I will be right back. The other two times were false alarms, but this is it. Okay. So no, I'm seeing Kamala and I'm seeing Kamala. I'm gonna go away. I want to see your okay, Kamala. I thought that's how I was saying it. I'll be right back in like 3 minutes. Y'all let me know. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Michael Allen, welcome. What kind of questions do you have? I'm winded. Ran up and down the stairs again. All right, so I got kicked out of that trade. Okay, let's see. I tried AI. Okay, AG3116. Have you tested Derive AI some more? So I used it, like trades I actually took. I may have used it last week. I'm not sure if I used it on Friday. But I used it for an earnings trade. That trade didn't go in my favor. I used it to pick a contract today. It's honestly probably going to take about a week to really get more information on it. So I'm not really going to talk about it until I get more data. I just wanted to kind of share it. But yeah, I'll kind of update. Okay. I'm glad we kind of got the name down. Hold on, I'm gonna need to look at those one more time. Kamala. Okay. Yeah, it's like I think I hear the name. I think I'm here. I'm not gonna say it the other way, but I hear the name both ways a lot. So I guess I never really just know which way is the right way. Thank y'all for keeping me correct. All right, I tried Derive AI this morning on Meta and up 4 on a 650 strike, November 15th. So far, so good. So one thing I'm going to say about Derive and the trades, it's not going to it's not going to tell you the direction or how much it's going to move. It's going to take the information you think is going to, what you think is going to happen, and it's going to help make it, what was I going to say? It's going to help make it happen. Like, it's going to help you select the best contract. All right, what was I going to say? Still learning it. Honestly, we're all still learning it. I mean, you only... Okay. Got a 560 spot put for Thursday. I'll have to check that out. AG 3116. Hey, 3 minutes ago. Yeah, I went down there and pretty much I had like some stuff that I was selling on Facebook Market, and this was the only time people could come. And I'm like, yo, I want this stuff out of my apartment. So that's what was going on. And talked to the dude for a moment. So yeah, it was longer than 3 minutes. And it's like, no, yeah, Derive AI in its current state is not just for saying like, oh, it's going to go here and whatnot. It's helping you select the most optimal contracts. Yeah, it's like help. Like a lot of people say, they ask me, oh, how do you pick your contracts? What Greek should I look at? It's like, with Derive AI, you don't have to worry about that kind of stuff. That's kind of where it is right now. I think they're adding more features, and they're kind of potentially coming out with features to help you pick out trades and market direction in the future. But yeah, as of right now, the software is really just intended to help you find better contracts. Yeah, additional confirmation. Yeah, low-key, I would say that that video I made about Derive AI, it did a lot better than I expected it to do. I was just trying to share it with the family, and I get like all these new people from it. And I had no problem with issue. It looks like I got 156 subscribers from that video on Derive AI. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting like, yo, let me share this with the family. Let me like share kind of access with this. But apparently like when it came to people signing up and like joining it, so many people signed up. Like it's crazy. It's like you don't really expect people to sign up for something like that. Or at least not as much as, I don't know, it's like it was wild. All right, so we got Euro close coming in right now. Probably sit here a couple more minutes just to make sure nothing's happening. If anybody has anything they want to say, anything they want to check, now is the time. But I'll probably be off here pretty soon just because I don't think much is going on today. I think my vote for the day is we're probably going to have a break-even day. Doesn't look like it for some stocks. Like if you look at these stocks up here, like Tesla is down like 1.24, Google's down 1.23. But if you look at the indexes like SPY and the Qs, yeah, we're like pinned pretty much. IWM is having a decent day though. Let's see what's up with this trend on Nvidia. For anyone who's interested, that's what I see on Nvidia. We'll see how they end up holding, but this looks like a good little level for Nvidia, but not really seeing any more volume or anything coming into the market. Yeah, once again, we're kind of just here consolidating, just chilling. So yeah, if no one else has anything else to say, I think I'm gonna call it a day for being here at the charts. I would say it's honestly not the. Do you have any videos on covered calls? Do I? I know I have one on selling puts, but covered calls. Let me see. Let me just check real quick. I'm gonna say to be honest, I don't think so, but I feel like I remember doing I feel like I might have one, but I feel like it may not be the best video. Let's see. Oh, I think I have 3. Here, I'm going to drop the links for them real quick. I did one in 2020, 2021, and 2022. All right. Oh, hold up.
Hey, what's
All right, so I'm going to drop them sequentially. Okay, so that's the one from 2020. That one's, honestly, I don't feel the best about it, but it's always hard for me to watch older videos. This is 2021, and then where is it? This is 2022. I'll say next year I'll have to make one that I feel like is actually good. I would say honestly, I don't think any of those are good, but you might be able to take some value away from those. All right, hold up. Yeah, let's check out end phase real quick. Last I saw, I was like, yo, it's a good buy long term. Let's see. I mean, I see this uptrend on end phase right now. Has a good little uptrend going for it. So, okay, let's do the full on. Yeah, I would say honestly, it just depends on your time frame. Like I would say it looks good. Like I like in face. Looking at the 1 hour, it's looks like it's potentially finding support at the 200 EMA. So that's looking bullish. On the 30 minutes above the 200, 15 minute, it's an uptrend. Yeah, it's doing well. I would say like everything above the 5 is looking good to me. All right, so let's see. All right, Mahishu, I have a busy week. Hope to catch some of the streaming this week. Hey, Mahishu, have a blessed day, and yeah, hopefully hopefully it's good busy. All right, Darren didn't make it to 222. It fell after trying. I won't be surprised if it does at some point catch 222, but oh yeah, we'll have to see. It might come back for it. Vashar Moore. I hope I said your name right. If I didn't, I apologize. I was actually just streaming the stream, or just ending the stream. So I appreciate you dropping by, but I'm about to sign off right now. So first off, each and every one of y'all, thank y'all for stopping by. I appreciate each and every one of y'all being here. Yeah, I'm done watching the charts for the day. Don't think too much is happening today. I honestly don't think too much is going to happen tomorrow either. Hoping each and every one of y'all have a blessed day. And, let's get this bread. Wait, are your brokerage linked to TradingView? No, I don't have them linked. And yes, how to join? Yeah, you just come. So Vishar, you just come to the streams every day. I'm usually here like right when the market opens, so that's 8:30 Central Time, 9:30 a.m. Central or Eastern Standard Time. And yeah. But yeah, everyone have a blessed day. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life.